How to analyze with Miris. Prepare the milk sample. If the milk is frozen, let it thaw in a refrigerator before analysis. Volumes below 200 milliliters can be thawed at room temperature. These are the required solutions to use with the Miris Human Milk Analyzer. Miris Cleaner, Miris Check, Miris Calibration Control, Distilled Water. Prepare the daily requirements of diluted Miris Check, diluted Miris Cleaner and distilled water, and pour the solutions into smaller bottles for easier handling. Heat Miris Check, Miris Cleaner, Miris Calibration Control and distilled water to 40 degrees Celsius. Turn on the Miris HMA and wait at least 30 minutes before proceeding. This action is necessary to avoid damaging the Miris HMA. Turn on Miris Ultrasonic Processor. On the Miris HMA, select Analysis to enter the Analysis menu. Now it's time to zero set the Miris HMA. Withdraw 3 milliliters pre-warmed Miris Check solution. Inject 2.5 milliliters Miris Check solution and leave about 0.5 milliliters in the syringe. Leave the syringe on the inlet. Select Check to begin the zero setting of the Miris HMA. Wait approximately 60 seconds. When no adjustment necessary is displayed, the Miris HMA is ready to analyze the control or the milk sample. If adjustment needed is displayed, please follow the complete instructions in the user manual or see the video Miris Check Procedure. Validate the Miris HMA with the solution Miris Calibration Control. This should be done as a daily control. Homogenize the Miris Calibration Control 1. Processing time is 12 seconds, 1.5 seconds per milliliter. Withdraw 3 milliliters Miris Calibration Control 1 from the bottle. Inject 2.5 milliliters Miris Calibration Control 1 and leave about 0.5 milliliters in the syringe. Leave the syringe on the inlet. Select Start to begin the validation. Wait approximately 60 seconds. Compare the Miris Calibration Control result with the reference values. Repeat the validation procedure with Miris Calibration Control 2. Preheat the milk sample to 40 degrees Celsius before proceeding with the analysis. Mix the milk sample by gentle inversion. Homogenize the milk with Miris Ultrasonic Processor, 1.5 seconds per milliliter. Inject 2.5 milliliters of the milk sample. Avoid injecting the bubbles and leave about 0.5 milliliters in the syringe. Leave the syringe on the inlet during the analysis procedure. Select Start to begin the analysis. Wait approximately 60 seconds for results to appear. The results are presented. The content of fat, crude protein, carbohydrates, total solids, energy, and true protein is displayed. Don't forget to inject 3 syringes filled with 5 milliliters Miris Cleaner every 10th analysis, or if milk has been idle in the Miris HMA for more than 5 minutes. This is how you do the injections. Inject 5 milliliters into the blue inlet with high pressure. Inject 5 milliliters into the blue inlet with normal pressure. Move the tube to the inlet. Inject 5 milliliters into the outlet with high pressure. If continuing with further analysis, perform zero setting check. For standby mode, inject 3 times 5 milliliters distilled water. Inject 5 milliliters into the outlet with high pressure. Inject 5 milliliters into the blue inlet with high pressure. Inject 5 milliliters into the blue inlet with normal pressure. To store the instrument, leave the syringe filled with 0.5 milliliters attached to the inlet. For complete instructions, see Miris HMA User Manual.